This Instagram page gains 250,000 new followers each month. They achieve this by sharing dark-themed motivational videos. They transformed a regular Instagram Reel page into a successful business and even started their own clothing brand. Now let me show you how to make these types of videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. We'll go through each step of creating these videos, starting from making the script, finding the B-roll footage, and editing the video to make it look great. I'll also share an exciting method to earn more money with these videos in the end, so stay tuned. But let's step back for a moment. All these videos actually have something similar. The first common thing is that they use a dark background, which gives them a cool and mysterious look. On top of this background, there's an AI-generated voice talking, which adds an interesting twist. These videos also use captions. These words help keep you interested and make sure you catch every single thing being said. So in summary, these videos use a dark and cool background, an AI voice, and written words to make sure you enjoy and understand what's going on. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Let's begin with the plan. We want to create the script using AI. Since it's 2023, we have access to advanced AI, like ChatGPT. We're going to ask this AI to help us come up with 10 quotes about wolves, which are aggressive animals, so it lines with the theme of the page, which is a motivational theme page. You can also change the animal to something else if you want, like lions or eagles. So we talked to ChatGPT and asked it for these quotes. It gave us some nice short quotes about wolves, which is a good start. After that, head over to 11 Labs. You'll need to make an account there first. Once you're in, you can create a special voice. Paste the quote you picked earlier into the generator on 11 Labs. Once you've made your choice, hit the generate button. Let's shift our focus to the B-roll footage now. To start off, we need to gather this footage, and luckily there are numerous ways to go about it. One effective method is by exploring Instagram, which happens to be a decent place to find these kind of videos somehow. So the first step involves going into the Instagram platform. Once there, use the search feature to look for videos related to the specific animal featured in our video. For instance, animals like wolves or lions. Now we are going to talk about another way to get those videos. This method involves using special videos that you can use without any worries of copyright. To find these videos, you will need to go to certain websites that offer them for free. One really good website is called pexels.com, where you can find a lot of videos and pictures that you can use without getting copyright. There is link in description to a TikTok account who upload viral musics. Click the link and get the music you like and download it. We are going to start the editing part. Import the videos and audios you need, starting with the voiceover. Drag it to the sequence so we can make it sound good. Start by cutting off all the empty parts. Cut them all out so the voice sounds clean and fast-paced. Now, let's hear the big difference. A wolf does not fear the journey ahead. It welcomes the unknown as an opportunity to sharpen its instincts. Likewise, embrace the uncharted territories of your dreams, for in the wilderness of uncertainty, you discover the untapped reservoirs of your own potential. Sounds great now. It's time to take those videos we found and add them to our project. To do this, just drag and drop the videos into the sequence. So we need to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, and we need to cut out the parts that we don't want. Try to use lots of different videos in your project. It keeps things interesting. When viewers watch your video, they won't get bored because they'll see different scenes and visuals now. Let's edit the pictures to be dark theme, starting with the first one. Go to adjustments, then change the settings, just like you see in the screen, and then repeat the same thing for the second picture. Now let's try and add some effects and see if they fit. Starting with the fog effect. Feel free to go through these effects and add whatever you like just by dragging and dropping the effects on top of the video, and you are good to go. You can also add transition between the two videos if you have more added transition between every two videos. I recommend using the left transition as it gives a cool effect to the video. Then add some movement in every video. I recommend using the pendulum 1 or too, as they make the video look good. And again, you can go through all the effects and choose whatever you like. Once you've completed all those steps, find the text option, then look for auto captions and click on it. When you hit that create button, the software generates subtitles. These subtitles are words that appear on the screen, and they're really helpful. They make sure that even if someone can't hear what's being said, they can still read and understand it, which boosts the retention. What makes CupCut a good software is that everything it offers is absolutely free. You don't need to give them any money, so whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can use CupCut without worrying about spending any money now to make the subtitles look good. Go to animation, then caption, and follow my steps. Let's see the end result.
A wolf's journey is a bit like how the moon changes shape. It moves through different times, just like we move through good and tough times in life. Like a wolf adapts, we also learn to handle changes and keep moving forward. You have a choice, either be a wolf or be a loser.